In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Lovable app into an APK file. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your project in Lovable, how to grab the code you need, and what to do next to turn that code into an installable Android APK. Keep your Lovable account ready and make sure you have a stable internet connection so downloads and builds go smoothly. We'll begin on the Lovable home dashboard. This is your central hub where all your work lives. If you're not already there, open Lovable and head to the dashboard view. Give the page a moment to load your workspace. That ensures you see your most recent projects and any updates the platform has applied. From the dashboard, open the All Projects section. This view helps you quickly scan everything you've built or collaborated on. If you have a lot of projects, use search or filters to make it easier to spot the exact app you want to convert. Consistent naming conventions really help here, so choose the project title you recognize. Next, click into the project itself. Inside the project, take a second to confirm you've opened the right one by checking the description or recent changes. It's worth verifying this now, especially if you maintain multiple variants like staging and production, so you don't export the wrong build. Now, switch to the code view. This is where you can inspect the files that make up your application. You'll see the project structure and assets, and this view is also where Lovable provides options to export or download your code. If the editor shows any warnings, note them before you proceed. Find and select the download file option to grab the project package. This will typically save a compressed archive or a code bundle to your computer. After the download completes, you're ready to convert it into an APK. If the bundle is an Android project, open it in Android Studio, confirm your Android SDK and build tools are installed, then configure your app's package name, version, and signing details before building. If the bundle is a web-based project, wrap it with a WebView framework such as Capacitor or Cordova first, then open the generated Android project in Android Studio to produce the APK. In both cases, start with a debug build to test on an emulator or a device, and only then create a signed release build for distribution. Keep your key store safe and double-check permissions, icons, and versioning so updates install cleanly. That's the full workflow. Open the Lovable dashboard, go to All Projects, select your project, switch to code, download the files, and convert the bundle into an APK using your Android tooling. Save your work, test thoroughly, and you'll be ready to share your app.